Here we have Mr. Moffat, who will be demonstrating how to use the Self Contained Breathing Apparatus, or SCBA. When putting on your mask, make sure that it is loosened to easily slide over your head. The mask should fit securely on your head and form a seal around your face, not allowing any air in or out. It is highly recommended, and in most cases mandatory, that people who wear a SCBA often should not have facial hair because it will prevent the mask from creating a secure seal around your face. When strapping yourself into the tank, be sure that all of the straps are secure and not twisted. Be sure to tighten the straps under your arms and around your waist. Once you have secured the tank to your body, turn on the oxygen tank. Slightly turn the purge valve on the respirator to release the flow of oxygen to the mask. You should hear the oxygen begin to flow out of the respirator. Connect the respirator to the mask and adjust the flow of oxygen to the mask with the purge valve. It can be a little difficult, so take your time and also practice if you need to. There you have it, ready to go.